In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Incognito Mode in the Perplexity app on your iPhone. Incognito Mode is a quick way to keep new activity from being saved to your search history inside the app. It's helpful when you want to explore topics privately without leaving a trail in your account. Keep in mind this won't delete past activity, and it isn't the same as using a VPN or changing your network privacy. It simply stops new searches from being stored in your in-app history while it's on. Start by opening the Perplexity app on your iPhone. If your screen looks slightly different than mine, don't worry. App updates can move things around a bit, but the process is the same. Once you're in the app, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap the profile icon. This icon might show your initials or a silhouette, and it's your shortcut to your account area. On the profile screen, tap Settings. You'll see a small gear icon in the top left that takes you there. This is where you can manage preferences, privacy options, and other app behaviors. Now scroll or scan the list to find Incognito Mode. Depending on your version, it may appear under a privacy section or in the main list of options. The label should be easy to spot. When you find Incognito Mode, tap the toggle to turn it on. You'll know it's enabled when the switch turns green. That's your visual confirmation that the app won't save your new searches to your history while this setting is active. If you ever change your mind, you can return here and toggle it off just as easily. Close settings to return to the main app screen. From this point forward, any new searches you perform won't be saved to your history. Your existing history remains as is, so if you're looking for a completely clean slate, remember that Incognito Mode affects only what you do after turning it on. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you share your device or switch between personal and work research, leaving Incognito Mode on can help keep things tidy. And if you rely on your history to revisit answers later, consider toggling it off when you want your searches saved again. Also, if something looks different on your device, look for the same icons and labels. The toggle and gear icon are consistent signposts across updates. That's it. Incognito Mode is now on, and your new searches will stay off your history.